What's up, everyone? So today I want to talk to you about how to create your own personal AI Spotify agent with Hermes. You can talk to it in Terminal, you can set up a Telegram group for it, and it'll manage your Spotify for you. You can even set up cron jobs, so automated, and it will add songs to your playlist as you listen to them throughout the day. So first, let's talk about how to actually create it. I'll show you how it works in Telegram. You can see it here. This is the profile for the DJ here. You could ignore all the commits I'm behind. But yeah, so let's dive into it right off the bat. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is come into your Hermes main profile and ask it to create a profile DJ. That's what I just showed you here. This is the DJ profile, and I'm running it on DeepSeek V4 Flash. You know, it's cheap. I've gone through billions of tokens in a month, and it's cost me about 25 bucks. Not just with Spotify, but in general. So DeepSeek V4 Flash, perfect to use. And then when you create it, you can give it, a personality if you want, kind of like a chill personality since it is a DJ. Kawaii is the one that I'm using, but, create your own. You can use any personality here, literally whatever you want. You can even make it into like a radio DJ personality. The next thing you're going to want to do, and this is not complicated, it is simple. You need to authorize your Spotify. And to actually have it fully manage your Spotify, I would say you do need the premium account. It works with free, but you would need a premium account to like get all the features. And I mean, if you don't have a premium streaming service in 2026, then get one, because how else are you listening to music? But anyway, so you're gonna just go through this brief Spotify authorization. It pops up in your browser. You click agree, done, and that's really it. You might have to type in a few things when you go through it, but again, Hermes will walk you through it. It's not a complicated process. Don't get overwhelmed. It takes about 5 minutes. So then you can also do things like add a base Spotify skill. You can create the skill when you go into your new profile. So like when you start the new profile, and in here you can create, an actual skill for it, so it knows what to do. I mean, it kind of is built in already when you're creating it with its instructions, but you're going to want to tell it like what playlist you have on your Spotify, your library. Basically you can just be like, go through my playlist, and it'll know what your playlists are. So in my DJ profile, I even have a few separate skills you can see right here, like for different genres of music. I have one called Sampler Platter, which I'll get to. I think that's pretty cool. But for now, like in the DJ profile, pull up my playlist created by me. And so now that it's plugged, and I also have to mention that if you want it to actually work and play, you need to have Spotify open somewhere. So I have it open just in another browser. So now it's going through my playlists for me. So you can see it has direct access. These are my playlists. Not all of them. This is most of them. See, I have quite a collection. Anyway, and then it asks me what I want to spin up. So I can literally just type in a song, like let's play some new house music. Use the sampler platter skill and give me a suggested playlist before playing anything. And so the sampler platter skill is something I created, as I like to kind of browse multiple playlists at once. So it will go out and scan my playlist at first. It's putting together like a variety of things. As you can see, it's pulling from my house playlist. Very theme-driven vibe journey. That's what we're going on right now. Here's your suggested sampler, and across my house playlist. So it's giving me some Ben Balmer, some Nora and Pure. It's got quite a mix, and here's the lineup. And what I could even do, see, it'll queue up the whole thing for me. I'm actually going to the airport later today, so let's create an airport playlist for today with 50 songs. Also pick from songs that are not on my playlist. And you can do this in Terminal. You can also do it in Telegram. I'll show you in Telegram in a moment. But cool. And so now it's going to create me my airport playlist for later today. It's going to pick some songs that aren't on my playlist. So that way, while I'm going through the airport, I got 50 songs in a playlist curated for me by my DJ Spotify agent. I won't be able to actually access my agent, in the airport, as this all works on my computer right now. I don't have it in a VPS, but you could. You could put your Hermes profile in a VPS. It's like $5 a month, and then you can have your AI agent, ready and waiting for you whenever you like. So right now it's doing a bit of a search here, and it's going to put together my playlist. So while it's doing that, let's go back through the instructions on how to set it up. So vibe mining, that's what you just saw. Artist own catalog, similar artists, curated playlists, underground gems, and it's pretty much extremely customizable however you like. So you can see that's what I was just talking about, the melodic house one with a few different artists. You can prioritize artists under a certain amount of streamers. You can pull up curated playlists from different labels. Compare playlists, queue up tracks. That's what I'm doing right there. Queuing up tracks from multiple playlists side by side. Curate a theme journey if you want, melodic, ambient, chill, or I don't know, floating ambient. You can really do a lot of things. And then also what's cool is that you can set up cron jobs, which I showed you how to do in the last video. So as you're listening to music throughout the day, like I have it fire once at the end of the day. Like I have a Bob Dylan and a Bruce Springsteen playlist that I just kind of like to build out, and I'm good with like adding all of them as I listen. So once a day, it looks at if I played any Springsteen music, Bob Dylan music, it looks at it, sees if it's in my playlist or not. If it's not, it adds it. So it's kind of like a cool feature you can add, and creating that cron job is literally as easy as just telling it exactly what you want, when to run it, where it's going to store the music, what playlist, and then I can even ask it, pull up the full cron job for the Bob Dylan automation, so we can. So it's going to now just look at, I'll actually just show you what it looks like. You can see it's pulling up from the DJ profile. That's where it's stored. It's not in my main one. That's just what it's saying there. So it's searching. I probably should have just showed you in the DJ chat. But anyway, we're here. So while that pulls up the cron job and what it looks like, we can now come back to my playlist. And Airport is live with 50 tracks. It's breaking it down. So it's got a lot of Ben Bomber in there, Lane 8, nice and chill music. It's got it's even calling. That's funny. It has an airport theme by section. That's kind of just Hermes doing his own special little thing there. I didn't tell it to do that. Anyway, 50 fresh tracks, 0 from the library, progressive departure, deep house, cruising altitude, and ambient descent. It even curated it by the vibe of the whole trip. Let's see if we have okay, it's still searching for the Bob Dylan one, but let's go into Spotify now and actually see this playlist. Okay, so we're back in Spotify, and this is the Bruce Springsteen playlist you see on my screen, but here we go. Here's the airport playlist that I just created, 50 songs, about 3 hours, so that should get me perfect. I'm going from Atlanta to New York, so this should cover me for the full trip, honestly. And what I'll do is I'll actually download. I'll just download it on my phone later. This is in my browser right now, but yeah, I'll download it on my phone later, so that way I can listen to it, throughout the whole trip. But yeah, this is exactly how it was in Hermes, and yeah, pretty cool. The playlist is right there for me for the day, and so here is actually where it's managed in Telegram. And so you don't have to be in Terminal to manage this. What I did is I set up a group for it. You can see DJ partner right there. So, and then you just have to create that bot. And if you don't know how to do this, I did discuss it in the last video, so you can go back and check that out. But really, it's as simple as creating a group. First, you create the profile, come in Telegram, create the group. Then you go into the bot father. It's on Telegram. It's just a bot that creates bots. It's the bot father. And you create the bot. You allow it access to your group. You drop it in. You'll get a chat ID, and then you're off. And just going through how I've used it throughout the my time. Like this is yesterday. I was just going through a bit of a Bruce jam while I was working. And I asked it to add all the 40 tracks from a live album into my Bruce playlist. I had it search for live albums to stream throughout the day. I asked it to queue up, another album first. So yeah, it's very cool, and you can have it manage your Spotify for you. Sometimes searching. It's not the cleanest, I'll admit, on Spotify, and Spotify tends to show you a lot of what you've already listened to. You kind of get stuck in that loop. So with this, it kind of is able to break out of that. You don't have to sit there in Spotify searching for different playlists. And here in Telegram, you can see the cron job running at the end of the day at 5 o'clock. Check your playlist. Nothing new to add. And it actually added one Bruce Springsteen song to my playlist, which I didn't have. Let's go back into Hermes to see if it actually was able to find the full cron job now. Okay, so it found it. It was just in my DJ profile. So here's the full prompt. Check Spotify's recently played tracks for the user. Identify any tracks by Bob Dylan or even as Bob Dylan as a featured artist. They're not in the playlist, Bob. That's my playlist. And then add only the missing Dylan tracks to the playlist. Do not add non-Bob tracks. If nothing is new found, to stay silent. That's what you saw yesterday. That's what you saw in Telegram from yesterday. And then, so same as the Springsteen one. And there you go. So that's your Spotify agent. And that's really the juxt of it. It's pretty simple to set up. Take the 5-10 minutes to give it the authorization. Again, that just pops up into your window. You click authorize. You create yourself a little app. It's really there's no coding at all. It's just literally naming it, giving it, it might need an API key. It might give you an API key. You might have to give it to Hermes. There's about 3 steps to go through. It's not complicated, and Hermes will walk you through it. And if you have Browser Harness installed, which is something you can download for free from GitHub, you can just have Hermes manage the whole process for you. It'll literally take over your browser and just do it. So it's not the fastest, but again, if you're a little lost and don't know what to do, have Hermes install Browser Harness for you. Give it the GitHub link. It'll install the Browser Harness. It's as simple as that. And then it'll have access to your browser. So if you get stuck, you need to call in Hermes to kind of guide you, but it is not that complicated. It might seem a little new and overwhelming, but I promise you it's not. And it's very cool to have, because then you can do things like this and have it set up playlist for you. You can add the playlist. You can create new skills for your DJ profile. So it's cool. I love it. Give it a try. Then you can just talk to Hermes in Telegram. You don't even have to be in Terminal at all. And manage your whole Spotify from Telegram. Put it on a VPS. You have your AI DJ with you at all times. It's your agent. You give it its own skills. I know Spotify has a DJ agent, but this is yours. You get to customize it however you want. You get to customize how it talks. You give it the personality. You build out your own skills and set up your own automations. And I love it. Give it a shot. This is one of the many cool plugins that Hermes has. So it allows you to manage your Spotify, and they're always adding new stuff. And this is very cool. So I love it. And give it a shot. If you like this video, find it helpful, please like and subscribe. You can check out my blog at jasonpollockmarketing.com. It's free to read. It's full of cool news, AI news, marketing advice, things like that. And you can follow me at Jason Pollock Marketing on TikTok, and my Instagram is at runninwithit if you want to follow me there. Or you can just check out my shorts on YouTube. It's all I kind of post across everything. So anyway, there you go. Hope you found it helpful. Please drop a like and subscribe. Trying to build out this channel, so I appreciate it, and we'll catch you next time.